In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom colors to your Google Calendar. So you used to have to go to My Calendars and then create a new calendar if you want to make specific things specific colors. But now Google have added a new update where you can just do it when creating the event. So if you go ahead and click to make a new event, you can then add a title to this. What we can do is we can go ahead and then click on our calendar down here. And if you go to the color, you can see I've got some default labels, and these labels have a custom color that I've already added. Now, if you have recurring events and you want to give them a specific color, you can go and click edit labels, and here you can create all of these labels with specific colors. So I've got a color for recording, a color for editing, maybe for all of my consulting work, we can type out a new label, and we can make this a custom color. We can enter in a hex code if we want to match it with our specific brand's colors. So maybe we just want to type that in manually, or we can go ahead and find it on the color wheel. Then you can click select, and there you go. You've now added the color and the label. Click save. And now you can go ahead and choose this when selecting the label and click save. Now, if you wanted to change this at any point, you can right click, and you can go ahead and change to any of these other colors, or you can go ahead and add new labels with other colors as well. You can delete them and you can make room for more. But that's the best way to add custom colors to Google Calendar.